Drag. You want beef, I put the bread on the burger. I ain't scared, plenty bitches try to threat, but they ain't heard the land of the 410, home of the murder. I'm working till I'm in that foreign thing, swerving, bitch, I'm the main attraction, ain't no time to close the curtain.
What's good, love buds? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell while you're at it, because YouTube will not tell you when I post. Today I'm gonna be doing my nails. That's why you guys clicked on this video. I just want to sit this right here. I'm no professional, no nail tech. I'm a mom, so getting to the nail salon is not likely most of the time. So I decided to go on Amazon and purchase everything I needed for acrylic nails. I started off with polygel. That was like my last nail video, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. I'll leave that up here. I'm no professional, I just want to say that, but I just been teaching myself how to do them, and I'm pretty good. I've been doing other people's nails too. I do it for free because I'm like, I'm not one of the Asians. I'm no nail tech, so I can't charge you, and technically they're like my friends and family, so I was like, it's okay. But yeah, I just want to say that before this video gets started. Again, everything that I purchased was from Amazon, and I'll leave that in the description. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is push back your cuticles. You want to do this at an angle. You do not want to do it flat, because then you can hurt yourself. Next, I'm taking a medium grit sand band, and I'm just going to file the actual natural nail bed. And when you do this, you want to take quick swipes at it, kind of like a quick pat. Here I'm using a round cuticle bit. You could also use a tapered cuticle bit, but you're going to go from one end to the other. This isn't necessary, only if the cuticles are bad. Now, before you can apply, of course you have to wet your brush, and then I have to show you how to pick up a bead. So you dip, swipe once, and swipe across your acrylic, and then tap the excess off. There are two types of ways you could apply your beads. You can do a 2 bead or a 3 bead. Most of the time, if you're doing 3 beads, you have longer nails, and I'm doing 2 beads because I have short. Again, I'm no professional, but because I'm doing 2 beads, I'm going to apply the first bead right in the middle of the nail, and then I'm going to basically start evening out, playing with the acrylic, and then start swiping down. Now for the second bead, I put that right before the cuticle, and then obviously I start playing with that, evening that out, and then once I finish, swipe that down towards the tip of the nail. And then I'm going to get a tiny bead just to put right like fill in the cuticle area. Again, no professional. While you're applying, the shape may not be exactly how you want it. That's okay. You will make it perfect, not so perfect at the end. But as long as your acrylic isn't thin, you'll be okay. Now we're going to file, shape, and buff. This right here is where the shape comes in. This is where you want to shape and make it how you like it. Now remember, I said it's okay if the shape isn't exactly how you like it. Well, that came in with the shaping, filing, and buffing. Right here I'm using a drill bit and I'm just making it smooth across and like as even as possible. So I am basically done. I'm just cleaning off my nails and my station. But if you're going to do any designs, any rhinestones or anything, this is the time to do it. I wipe my nails off with alcohol pads. If you don't have any, you can just use alcohol. So yeah, if you're doing any designs, any rhinestones, this is the time to do it before you put any top coat on, which that is what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and apply the top coat and then cure it for 1 minute and I'm done. Simple, right? No. Here's the finished product. If you like the video, please like it. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.
Hey, I'm ready, gon' run the money up, ain't no bluffing. Ain't my whole team really coming up, ain't no bluffing. #1, only no runner up, no discussion. Bitch, I'm really with the